7th na? Yes. No, Azad section only. Natural number, whole, integer or Z, F or D, Q. Now moving on. Next. Now next concept, properties of a rational number. Properties of rational number. First property, closure property. Look, what is closure property of a rational numbers? If if A and B are two rational numbers, then A plus B, A minus B, A multiply B, and A divide B. Look over here. If we have two rational numbers A and B, if we add them, what we got? Suppose C number we got. Suppose there will be some answer will be C. Then it will also be a rational number. If we add two rational number or subtract rational number or multiply or divide, so whatever we got, that will be also a rational number. So C is also a rational number. Same. You have to write down yourself. No need to do this one. In fair notebook, there will be no sign of this thing. Is also rational number. You have to write down here. No sign like this. So first property, closure property, is known as what is it says that if A and B are two rational number, then if we add them, then we got some answer, that will also be rational number. If we subtract, also rational number, whatever we got. If we multiply, whatever we got, that will be also rational number. If we divide even, that will also be a rational number. Okay, class? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Now second, commutative property. Commutative property of commutative property only. No need to write because rational number already written over there. Only commutative property. If A and B are two rational number, then A plus B is equals to B plus A, and A multiply B is also we got B multiply A. Huh? After this, then you have to write this one. Means if we add two rational numbers, like suppose let's look example 1/2 plus 1/3. If we are doing this, we got the answer 5/6. And if we are doing this thing 1/2 means if we change the order, B will becomes A will becomes B. So still we got the answer, means answer will be same in both cases. Even we multiply also, so we got 1/6 or 1/3 into 1/2 also 1/6. That means in both cases commutative property holds. Even I'm talking about a minus b is b minus a. It is not equal, and a divide b is not equals to b divide a. Look here. Look here. A minus b. That means 1/2 minus 1/3. Okay, here. And 1/3, we got it here. 6, 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2, that will be 1/6. Now 1/3 minus 1/2. If you solve this one, LCM will be 6. 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3. We got minus 1/6. So are the both numbers are equal? Huh? Both are equal. 1/6 and minus 1/6 not equal. Okay. Okay, class. So in this case, this property does not hold. Look here. This is the case of this one, and this is a addition. These are examples. And for 1/2 now, 1/2 divided by 1/3. So what we got answer? What we got answer? 3/2. In this case, we got answer 3/2. Fractional number, fractional division, you know that now. I am considering that you know you are well known addition, multiplication, subtraction, division of fraction, because this thing already done in the previous class. तो मैं मान के चल रहा हूँ आपको डिवीजन और सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, एडिशन आता होगा. 1/3 डिवाइड 1/2. अगर किसी को इनका डिवीजन और सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन नहीं आता, मुझे अभी बता सकते हो आप. So look at here, both are not equal. So look this one. So you may write down these examples also and this one also. Yes.
Okay.
Everyone are known now how to add, how to multiply, how to subtract, how to divide fractional numbers.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Note it down each and everything. And whatever I am telling you right now, means whatever I'm doing here, you must have to write in your fair notebook.
Yeah.
अब आपको ये नहीं करना है कि ये टिक करते चले, ये नहीं करना. ये मैं केवल समझाने के पर्पज से बोलता हूँ कि आप टिक भी करते रहो उसमें. हाँ.
सर इसके पहले वाली स्लाइड दिखाओ ना.
ओके, ये लो. वेट. Take a screenshot of this one.
Okay, sir, done.
Now this one, take a screenshot. You may ask with your friends. Now third you may ask with your own friends, beta. Now third property, associative. Associative if a, comma b and c. Here three rational numbers we will take. Here three rational number we will take. If a, b and c are rational numbers, then a plus b plus c is equals to a plus b, then after c, or even a plus c, then b. Means all the things will be equal. Means first, if we firstly add b and c, then after a and b firstly, then after c, a and c firstly, then after b, everything will be equal. Also in multiplication, a multiply b multiply c, means you have to change multiply sign, plus will be changed to multiply. A multiply c multiply b, but a minus b minus c not equals to a minus b minus c, this one not equals to a minus c minus b, this one, and a divide b divide c not equal a divide b divide c is also not equal, and a divide c then after b, this is also not equal. Means addition and multiplication property holds associative property. This is known as associativity of three rational number. This property also known as associativity of three rational numbers. Means here this property holds addition and multiplication, and subtraction and division not holds. And your homework is what? Check as previous one. जैसे हमने ये आपको वेरीफाई किए कि एडिशन और मल्टीप्लिकेशन इक्वल है, इसी प्रकार
In
से
fair notebook, sir.
yes check for a, take a is equal to 1/2, b is equal to 1/3, c is equal to 1/4. ये एग्जाम्पल आपको लेकर आपको ये सब सॉल्व करना है, देखना है सभी इक्वल आते हैं नहीं यार। ये आपका होमवर्क है बेटा, ठीक है। जैसे देखो मैंने यहाँ पर किया है ना, ए की जगह ये ले लिया, बी की जगह ये, दिस इज ए, दिस इज बी, so everything will be shown by me. These are not equal, so I am writing a not equal. Look at 3/2 is not equal to 2/3, and 1/6 not equal to -1/6. That's why I am writing over here not equals to. Here both, look at here, 5/6 5/6, 1/6 1/6, everything is same. Similarly, you have to put down a is equal to 1 of a. Look at here, a is equal to 1/2, b is equal to 1/3. I am giving you example. This is an easy example, that's why I am giving you. Okay, for this you have to prove all the all properties, mean addition, multiplication, subtraction, division. Okay class?
Okay, sir.
Okay, now last property I will tell you fourth most important, distributive property. If a comma b and c are rational numbers, then a multiply b plus c is equals to whatever the number written after outside the bracket, it will be multiplied with both number. a multiply c means a का multiply b के साथ भी, a का multiply c के साथ भी. Even this will follow in minus case also. That means take a screenshot of this one fast. I am not taking attendance, sorry. Everyone on your video. Only 8